my Cocoa Daisy friends, Julie Dealmooney here today to do a Plan With Me video for week 11 in my Cocoa Daisy A5 ring bound planner. These are the tools that I'll be using today. We'll get into those in a little bit, but the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sheets out of my planner so that I can plan in them easier. So I'll just put the bookmark back in there and close it up and put it off to the side. So this week is the week of St. Patrick's Day, so I have chosen a green layout from the A5 Daisy Dory. I cut that down the middle and punch the holes in it so that I can do the use it as my weekly spread. So I have my pages, and then I have all of my Cocoa Daisy stickers. I have alpha stickers and box stickers and all kinds of stickers. I probably should use more of these stickers, but here we go. So I have several alphas there, and then you'll see I have lots of the Cocoa Daisy stickers from the Treetop Canopy kit. And then I also have some stickers that I have created. I designed them and printed them and cut them on my silhouette. So I'll be using those as well. So here we go. So the first thing that I do is I put the days of the week stickers down. And these are the ones that I have designed and created myself. And so I have had a couple of people ask me questions about how I use these tools, and so this is how I use this little scraper. It's from Silhouette, and I just use it to scrape up a sticker that I've just put down. I also use it in conjunction with Undo, and then I use the angled tweezers to put things down, especially small stickers. The angled tweezers work so much better. So here is just a quick give you a showing of what Undo will do. So if you stick a Cocoa Daisy sticker down like that, it just is aggressively sticky, which is great because you want your stickers to stick down. But if you do something stupid like that and then you want it to come up, if you pour this Undo on it, I know it looks like a train wreck right now because it looks like I just put oil all over my paper, but I really didn't. And the sticker just comes back up. The paper is not sticky, but the sticker is still sticky. It's pretty amazing. So it'll take it a moment to dry, but when it dries, the page will be fine. If you had something on the back, if you had stickers stuck on the back, as long as you don't peel them up, they'll just stay stuck to the page. So Undo is great. If you live in California, they won't let you buy it there. I use a Tombow whiteout pen, and then I use this Kokuyo dot liner for adhesive. And so I will link all of the tools in the description of the video. I love this one. I like it so much I got 2 of them. I got an extra one for my bag. It has a large refill, so you don't have to refill it as often. So I'm going to go ahead and keep on putting down my day of the week stickers. And so this is just a basic, and it goes pretty quickly. And this is just where I always start. I would assume everyone starts here, but you know, I hate to assume because people may do things differently. So who knows? So once I get those down, I will put down the day of the week stickers, the numbers. I flirted with putting that 15 in the middle of the O of Monday, but decided that it looked ridiculous, so I didn't do that. So, and now I have got my days and dates down. I've also made clipboards that match the kit, and so I make them for each week, but I also want to use these checklists this week. So usually when I use clipboards and checklist, I'll go every other day. So I'll go clipboard, checklist, or the other way around. So I wanted to use the plaid clipboard on St. Patrick's Day, the 17th, and so I went ahead and put that one down first. And then I picked this checklist, and I wanted to use one of the headers either one of the headers that came on that page with the checklist or a different header. So now I'm just looking for that. I promise you that I didn't do this stuff on purpose, but it seemed like I made some of the silliest mistakes while I was doing this plan with me. I credit it to being on video because I will never, I mean, like, if I'm just doing a plan, setting up a page, I just don't really have any problems generally like this where I'm peeling up stickers constantly. But yeah, I put that one down, and then the checklist was going to go over the line and into the Wednesday, and I didn't like that. So I peeled it back up, and you can peel it back up if you without having to use the undo if you get it pretty quickly. So now I'm just going back and I'm grabbing my clipboards and putting them in, um, and then the checklist for Thursday, and I will just use one of the headers from the checklist page. And there's my head, sorry about that. And once again, as I stick this down, it's just crooked. And I have always had a hard time with these checklists. And so one thing that I've done before is turn it sideways. That really helps me get it more straight. Okay, so that rounds out the clipboards and checklists for the week. So I will be using my calendar to look at what's going on this week so I know what stickers to put where. And I have that right off screen. And so I have my word stickers, and I'm looking through the box stickers to find a box that works well with my first sticker that I'm putting down on Monday, and just trying to decide where to put it. And it is Linda Kay's birthday, and so I have some icons that I can pick from for birthday, and I decided to use the balloons for her birthday. And so I've got that down, and then I go looking for another sticker for my grandson Clay's baseball game. And I don't have any baseball. Baseball season came upon me very quickly, so I don't have any baseball icons. So I just put a little bow clip there. I'm sure Clay would not appreciate this because he's a 12-year-old boy. But yeah, that's what I put down for Clay's baseball. So I'll probably make some baseball icons and do some Clay baseball words just because baseball season is upon us. So and now the next item that I'm putting down is the Briggs are arriving, and the Briggs are my grandkids and stepdaughter and son-in-law. And so they are coming on that Monday. So I want to write that in big letters. So I'm using alphas that I cut myself on the silhouette. And I'm just putting the word arriving down first because I'm going to flush it right next to the clipboard. And then for Briggs, I am using the ruler to set it up. So I'm putting all of the letters down. I used the centimeter side, and I'm lining up all the letters with the bottom of the little notch marks for the millimeters. That would be the millimeter marks. So I have Briggs all set up on the ruler. Tilt the ruler away from you so that the top part of the sticker is closest to the paper. Hold it down with your fingers and then press it down like that. I kind of do them both ways. I do it with the ruler and I do it with just putting them down individually. Just kind of depends on my mood in the moment. So I have another one of these stickers. I love the Daisy add-on sticker kit. This sticker is from there. So I'm trying to write the word ultrasound very small in this sticker. Didn't work. I had to abbreviate, but I know exactly what it is, that I have an ultrasound appointment. And so then I don't have anything on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, the only thing that I have is that it's St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to use a chipboard sticker. I pulled it out all rough and messed it up, but I was going to do this anyway, so it doesn't matter. I was going to peel off some of the layers of cardboard so that it wouldn't be so thick, because I just don't want it to stick up so far in my planner. And so I just go ahead and put that down at the bottom of the page. You'll see later on I decided it's still too thick, and I take off even more layers. It also felt like it wasn't sticking down well, so I'm just using my dot roller to put adhesive on the back of those, and so I used that Shamrock chipboard sticker as well for that. So now I am moving on to Thursday, and Clay has another baseball game, and I still don't have baseball stickers. So it's I love baseball season. It's the greatest sport. It's not too hot outside. Also want to put down my timesheet. I have a hard time remembering to turn in my hours because they're pretty much the same every week. And so I just put that down to remind myself. And then I realized that I had a sticker for Cocoa Daisy Mood Board, which is the 15th. I also have a sticker for Cocoa Daisy um, Sneaks, which start on the 20th, but I forgot to put that one down. So my work has cleaning day on Thursday, so I'm just using one of my little icons for that. And then on Friday, I have all sorts of things going on. It's trash day, it's recycle day, and it's payday. So yay. So yeah, so I just always kind of do both trash day and recycle day on the same sticker. It's kind of the same thing to deal with. And then payday, I have a sticker, and you'll notice when I put payday down, it's hard for me to get that payday straight, so I always use the thing. I have two different icons, and I went ahead and picked the coin purse with a little bit of coins for my payday just because it makes me laugh because I think I'm getting a few coins. Um, so yeah, so I have one more sticker here. The Briggs are leaving that day, and that word doesn't take up that whole sticker. So I'm trying to find an icon that works with it, and I saw the car, and that's what I did. So I have a gray SUV. That's why the car that I have in there is a gray SUV. So, so I just have a couple of events that I need to write down on my checklist. And when I use my checklist and my whatever I'm writing on it takes 2 lines, I just go ahead and white out the box beside it because there's only one checkbox because it's only one thing. And so on Saturday, I'm so excited because I will be going in for my second vaccine, my COVID vaccine. So I'm so excited about that. And so I have a doctor sticker. It's probably not going to be a doctor that gives me the vaccine, but close enough. And on Friday, I need to remember to replace my mascara. I can't remember if that was 3 months or 6 months. I went ahead and put those kind of things in my planner this year so that I would remember to do them because it's kind of the, you know, sometimes I look at my mascara and I think, how old is this? And I have no idea. So I want to put another one of those hexagon stickers down on Saturday. And so I just had to move my doctor icon up a little bit higher and to the left. So then I'm going to put this one. And I do like to put the hexagon stickers, like one of them have the words at the bottom and one of them have the words at the top. And Saturday is the spring equinox. So I had these little heart sunglasses, so I thought that looked cute together. And as I was looking at this, I just did not like how that chipboard sticker, it wasn't sticking well and it just looked too thick. So I went back and got my X-Acto knife and peeled off a few more layers, stabbed myself right there. Not badly, I wasn't bleeding. So yeah, I peeled off everything but the very tippy top layer of that. And so then I just used my Xyron sticker maker to make it sticky on the bag. It was really hard because nothing wanted to stick to that raw chipboard because it was rough, and I think that was part of the problem. So before I put it down, that looked like a mess that was there on my planner, and so I tried to peel it off with my scraper, and it kind of came off. I swear I did not try to make up all these scenarios by which I would use my scraper and all other tools. But yeah, I just used a rubber eraser, and then I peeled that up, and you can see some of it didn't, it kind of stuck to the thing, but that was enough sticky to get it to stick down. And so then there was a little bit of crud around it, so I just used the rubber eraser again. So after that, I just went in and got some of my green glitter dots and put them here and there for a little bit of sparkle because you can never have too many glitter dots. And there is my week ready to go. So I'm excited to get that week started. So thank you so much for watching. And if you aren't already subscribing, please do so now. Thanks so much and have a great day.